In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Notion. We'll go through the process directly inside your Notion account so you can update the email linked to your profile without confusion. This is useful if you've changed your main email address, want to keep your account details current, or simply prefer to use a different inbox for login and account notifications. To begin, go to your Notion page and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once you're on the main Notion screen, look to the top left corner. There, click on your workspace or account space. This opens the menu where you can access your account and workspace options. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where Notion stores your account preferences and personal details. When the settings page opens, look at the left-hand column and click on your account name at the very top. This section is specifically for your personal account information. So that's where you'll find your connected email settings. Next, click on Manage Emails. This will show the email addresses currently associated with your Notion accounts. If you only have one email listed, that's normal. From here, click on Add Email Address to begin adding the new one you want to use. Now click into the field provided and type in your new email address carefully. It's a good idea to double check the spelling before moving on, because even a small typo could prevent you from receiving verification messages or accessing the account properly later. Once the new email is entered, click on Add Email. Notion will then attach that address to your account, and depending on your setup, you may need to verify it through your inbox before it can be fully used. If you don't see a message right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. After the new email has been added, you can select it as your primary email address. This makes it the main email used for your Notion account. After that, you can remove the previous email if you no longer want it linked. Just make sure the new address is active and accessible before removing the old one, so you don't accidentally lock yourself out. And that's it. That's how to change your email address on Notion quickly and safely.